Hi everyone, one feature that is underrated with Microsoft Office that many people might not know about is the Ctrl D feature. So you can use this in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Outlook, and also PowerPoint, etc. This feature, when you type something, say for instance you want to correct something, and I'm gonna type here, this is correct, but then it's not correct, so I'm gonna write incorrect, and I want to put a strike through to it. So you can highlight it and then press Ctrl T, and you'll have this range of features that you can customize the word in. So I'm gonna click here and click on strike through and say OK, and then you see that the word correct is actually stricken through. Another one is if you select everything, say for instance you've written a whole paragraph of things and you want to change them to be all caps, what you would normally do is delete everything and type it again. No, that's the wrong way to do it. So what you're gonna need to do is select the words or sentences that you need to convert into all caps, and then Ctrl D again, and then here you have all caps, and then click OK. It's gonna convert everything to all caps. And those are just two of the features in Ctrl D. As you can see, there are so many features here that you can also use. So let me know if you learned something new in the comments below, and till next time, peace.